Whether it be scoring that job you always wanted, winning big, finally getting a date with your crush, or just pushing out that next successful YouTube video, everyone needs luck for what they have going on in life. And I have a cat for that. No, not that guy, but this one. The Japanese refer to this figure as Maneki-Neko, translated beckoning cat. What we like to call him, the lucky cat. This fortune feline has many various purposes, but the one that is most important is that as long as it is waving or beckoning, you will be provided with great luck. So when I bought one while in Japan, I was stoked to have endless blessings, until the stinking AA battery fueling the cat was consumed in about 4 weeks and would need replacing. To avoid the disruption, I decided to take the lucky cat to the next level with a D battery. Because based on my assumptions of the amp hours of each battery, the D cell should extend the runtime almost 6 times over. Stick around and I'll show you how I did it. Here are the items I used. 1/2-inch diameter dowel, sake or rice wine drinking box, 1/2-inch zinc screws, of course the D battery, and the battery holder. First I took the sake box and drilled 2 holes in the bottom of it. Then did a not so good job sanding down each side for the battery holder, only to realize I had sanded too much. So after routing the wires up through the holes, I placed the holder into the box and hot glued the ends so it wouldn't fall out. Not my finest work. To mimic the AA battery, I cut the dowel to 1.8 inches and screwed in the makeshift battery contacts. I had to strip the wire a little more, and then after that, I wrapped the wires around the screws and tightened them down. Then popped the dowel into the lucky cat. And there you have it. A simple modification that not only extends the time between battery changes, but also looks good too. Some might ask, why not get the solar-powered version? And to that I say, where's the fun in that? Also, if you happen to find these in Japan or elsewhere, most require batteries. So this modification is clearly perfect for those versions. Give it a try if you have one. As for me, I expect my luck will be set for quite some time now. Maybe later on I'll add more D batteries to make it last even longer. For the meantime, this will do. And be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future projects. Remember guys, don't just fix it, make it better. See you next time.